Hey there, John.Hunter, your mortgage guy, reaching out to you. This week's question is, can I have more than one VA loan at a time? So the short answer is yes, you can. So VA calls it bonus eligibility. So now most people know that you can use your VA more than once. If you sell your house and buy another one, you can um, you know, reinstate your eligibility and purchase another one. But not everybody knows you can actually have two at the same time. So you really can. They call it bonus eligibility, and there's a formula to it. That's how we figure out what you qualify for going zero down again. It's a pretty neat process, actually. So what we take into account is how much eligibility you've used and what the county limit is on wherever you want to buy. So depending on where you buy, will determine exactly what you qualify for zero down. So, and stay tuned to the end of this video because there's a trick that at the end of this I can show you how to actually purchase zero down on the second property, as high as you want, more higher than the normal limit. So there is a catch. So anyway, stay tuned to the end. But anyway, so there's a formula to it. So most eligibility, not most, when you get it, your full eligibility is 36,000. The way the VA, that's the number that's on your certificate of eligibility. So what the significance of that number is that VA will insure up to $36,000 of the first 144,000 that you borrow. So if you borrow 144 or less, that's what they will insure. Now, if it's over 144, they'll do 25% of whatever that number is, right? Now, that 25% is an important number on this formula. So what they'll do is they take, okay, how much eligibility you've used. So if you originally purchased a $300,000 home and went zero down, then you use 75,000 of your eligibility, right? So that's 25% of each 100,000, right? So that's $75,000. Now, if you're purchasing in a county that, say, let's use a round number, and let's just say, 100,000 is the limit, right? You've used 75, okay? So you have 25,000 left. So we take the county limit, subtract what you've used, right? And that number, 25,000 left, times 4 would be, you qualify for, in that scenario, 100,000, zero down with bonus eligibility. Now, you just extrapolate that to whatever numbers, whatever county you're in. Most counties are 700 plus, I believe, is the limit these days. But some counties go even higher, like King County here in Washington is 900 and change. So it can go much higher. So that bonus eligibility number can be quite high depending on how much of your eligibility you already have tied up. Now that's bonus eligibility zero down. Now what happens if you find a place that is a little bit more than that? So let's say your bonus eligibility number puts you at $400,000 zero down, but you wanted to buy a $500,000 house, right? Well, VA will let you go above that. You just have to come in with 25% down on anything that's above that zero down limit. So if you bought a $500,000 house, your bonus eligibility only covers you to $400,000. You can come in with 25% down, $25,000 to cover that difference, and you can get a VA loan. Now, when you apply these numbers out, especially when you're talking some of the bigger loan amounts, it's quite a bit less than what the conventional option would be. Especially if you're a veteran that has service-related disability of no funding fee, no VA funding fee, and no mortgage insurance on a VA loan. The rate's lower on VA to begin with. Now you're putting less than 20% down, no MI. It is way better than any conventional option. And that doesn't even talk about all the other flexibilities that come along with VA loans, as far as like qualifying, debt to income ratio, things like that. So it really, really can stand out. If you want to rent out your current place, you're moving into a new home, maybe relocating, and you want to keep your current home rented out, then you can do that. Now, where does this, what happens with the eligibility if, let's say, you pay off the home or you refinance to a conventional? Now, a lot of people know this, but the eligibility does not stick with the loan. It sticks with the house. So your eligibility, even if you were to refinance, or say you were to pay off the house completely, the eligibility sticks with the house. So your eligibility is still tied up, even though you may not own anything on the house anymore. A lot of people don't know that. Now VA, now this is the tip I was talking about. Now VA has a one-time um, ability to reinstate your entitlement. Uh, if you were to pay off basically, either by paying it off completely or by refinancing it, paying it off with a different type of loan, right? If you were to refinance to, say, a conventional or FHA or any other type of loan but VA, and pay off the VA loan, um, they'll allow you to reinstate your eligibility in full one time. Now, once you do that, then you can turn around and use your VA eligibility fully. So you can go zero down up to a couple $1,000,000 if you wanted to. VA allows that. So there is a way to have your second home purchased using VA, not sell the first one, and be able to purchase zero down on the second one. So the key with that is you either refinance it, say, to a conventional investment property loan, or if you can pay it off, even better. And then you can use your full eligibility again. Now, the thing to remember is it is a one-time exemption. The whole idea here is they do not want you to use your eligibility to obtain rental properties. VA is a owner-occupied loan only, and that's the intent. So, but they do give you this one exemption, which is really cool. Not a lot of people know about it. And it is a way that we can fully take advantage of that. We just have to do a little planning and making sure that we get that VA loan paid off one way or the other before it comes time to purchase a new place. So hopefully that helps. So the answer is all day long. We can go and do 2 loans. It's bonus eligibility. To help figure that out, feel free to give me a call. John.Hunter, I'm your mortgage guy. I'll help you through all of this. VA is my specialty. I absolutely love it. I'm passionate about it. And I'd love to be here to help you through this home buying journey. So all my contact information is below. Like and share if you would. It would be great. And come back for more content on VA and anything finance related. So, and I will be doing a weekly rate update as well. So follow if you will. Talk to you soon. Have a great week. Bye-bye.